Jeep is officially gone. Selling the Jeep now.
Dude was able to tow it here for you with the plow on it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll give you his number. I haven't counted money in so long.
Man, why don't you let me do it for you and you watch.
Do it.
You watch me. Okay? Yeah, it'll be much easier that
I've
way.
been doing the cards.
Yeah. That's right. Stand here and watch me and you'll see it. I can do it quicker than you.
Your money card.
All right, ready? 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60.
I'm gonna just check through it before you come, make sure I got all my stuff out.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Okay.
Yeah, you can go ahead and take the stuff out. This
All
one's
right.
yours. This
Yeah.
one's yours. And then don't forget to take your plate off.
Oh yeah, the plate.
All right.
Yeah.
And then,
All right, appreciate it.
yeah, I got the.
Did you want the salt in there, or you want me to just take it out?
If you don't mind giving me the salt, I'll take it.
Oh yeah, you got it. Yeah, that's from another customer anyway, but
Okay, yeah.
it's all yours.
What, did you plow this complex in here?
No, I got. I'm out towards like Shaker. I plow mostly out that way.
Oh, I got you. Okay.
Yeah, so
Okay.
yeah.
So before this, it ran fine.
Yeah, I literally was using it all day yesterday.
Yeah.
So I mean, if that happened to me, I'm not putting no more money into it. I didn't put more than 7,000 into it. I only paid 7.
So when you checked the tranny fluid, it was low.
Yeah, it was completely low.
Okay.
I've been having issues with the tranny for a minute now, and I was gonna get it replaced, but the guy said I didn't need to. I just need to put some more fluid in it and keep the fluid in it, but it just keeps doing this. So
Yeah.
I know it's a tranny issue. So
Yeah. Okay.
yeah, it might be something simple, it might be something you might need to replace it, but I mean,
what happened?
yeah,
With my
whatever.
luck, I'll be replacing it.
No, yeah, whatever.
All right,
All right,
thanks,
thanks.
man.
Appreciate it. All right. Let's go.
You scared the shit out of me. I said, what do you mean a building's falling?
Did he explain it like that?
Yeah,
The building was falling.
that's my son. He was like, C-54 said the ceiling's caving. I was like,
I might say
did you see a name?
Say hi.
Hi,
Say Cleveland Hustle.
Pihato.
Cleveland Hustle. Say we're gonna sell everything. Look, what you see, the birds? You see the snow and the ice?
Look!
Cleveland Hustle.